Welcome back, woodpeckers. I'm Martin Jensen, and as you can see, my new workshop is missing a table. So today I'm making a workshop table out of old decking. So the new table will be very similar to this one. Will be a bit smaller, 250 by 100, and I'll show you how I slap it all together. Now it just started drizzling a bit from above, so I had to move underneath my new outdoor workshop, and it is exactly why I made it. Norwegian summer, you never know, rain, snow, it's gonna come. Well, I'm starting the last move on my new table, and that is making the legs. All right. Now the only thing left for me to do is to fasten this table to the legs. One cheap sturdy workbench for you for nothing. I used some screws, old decking and scraps, and that is really all you need. Now If you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you next Thursday.